Let me hit you with a hard question today. Would you work for you? Ready to find out if you make a good boss? Let's go. So I have spent 2 decades leading teams of cleaners. In a previous life, I was a manager of recruitment consultants and also salespeople. Over the last 10 years or so of working with cleaning business owners, I have seen and witnessed that there is a big difference between being a boss and a leader or being somebody that just pays wages. Because the reality is, running a team is not about bossing people around and telling them what to do. It's about building a business and a culture that allows your cleaners and your employees to feel valued, trained, and supported. And a business that people actually want to work for, and when they do, will stay with you for a long time.
Which, as we know in the cleaning industry, is a super duper plus, because I'm sure many of you have had clients that say, I only want Sally, I don't want anyone else but Sally, you can never change my cleaner.
So let me ask you again, would you work for you? Or are you that stressed out, micromanaging, last minute, people-pleasing boss who changes the rota every other day, who doesn't communicate clearly with their team, who has no proper onboarding or training process to put new hires through, or expects your team to be able to just read your mind? And if that stung you a little bit, you are not alone. Because here's the truth that nobody really talks about. Your team will only reflect the leadership you give them. Let me say that again. Your team will only reflect the leadership you give them. I help cleaning business owners go from accidental bosses to confident leaders that build teams that stay, perform, and represent their brand and their standards properly. And that is something that I also do inside of my free private community, Profitable and Productive Cleaning Business Owners. So come join us and I can help you become the confident business leader I know is trapped inside of you. So if you are ready to stop being the bottleneck of your own business, hit subscribe right here on YouTube for new videos every Wednesday. Come join us in the Profitable and Productive Cleaning Business Owners group over on Facebook. And if you are deadly serious about leveling up your business, book a call with me and let's build the business that you say you want. All links will be in the description below. I hope this video is a starting point for you to think, would you work for you? What does your business look like? Your onboarding, your training? Where are the weak spots and what needs to be fixed? Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your time, and I'm going to be back here next Wednesday with a brand new video. But until then, my friend, you stay sparkling. Bye-bye.